Hello everyone. In this video you will be learning about autocorrect and auto text feature of word processor. So starting with autocorrect feature. Now these two features, autocorrect and auto text, is a very important feature of any word processor. So as you can see, I am working on Microsoft Word, which is a word processor. So we will start with autocorrect. Autocorrect is a feature of Microsoft Word that you can use to automatically detect and correct mistyped word, incorrect word, grammatical errors and incorrect capitalization. So sometimes what happens, while typing text in a document, we often type some word incorrectly. That is mistyped word. We write the wrong spelling of that particular word. For example, I want to write THE, and sometimes what happens, by mistake, or sometimes if we are in a hurry or by mistake, I have typed it incorrectly. So what autocorrect does, autocorrect will automatically change these words, such as I have written TEH into THE as soon as I press space bar, or suppose I have written NAD instead of AND. So automatically the correct spelling is coming, that is AND, AND. So autocorrect maintains a dictionary of often mistyped word, and when you mistype a word, autocorrect fix it automatically. You can also use autocorrect to insert text and symbols also. For example, suppose I want that when I will write C, automatically copyright symbol should come. So as soon as I am writing C, so you can see over here the copy, this is your copyright symbol. So how this symbol is coming? As soon as I am pressing, as soon as I am typing C, like if I type B, nothing will happen over here. But as soon as I am typing C, automatically you will see the copyright symbol will appear. So let's go in the next line. Here also C, automatically whether I write capital C or small c, the copyright symbol will come automatically. So in this video I will be telling you how to work in auto text. So what you can do, as I've already told you, autocorrect maintains a dictionary of often mistyped word. So you can also create your own autocorrect text and store it in the dictionary, so that next time if you do some mistake, automatically it will enter the correct word. Suppose I'm writing over here COMPUTRE, spelling of computer is wrong, but like see over here, automatically it is correct the spelling. Earlier it was TRE, now it's TER. This is all possible because of autocorrect. So autocorrect is a feature of Microsoft Word that you can use to automatically detect and correct mistyped words, incorrect words, grammatical errors and incorrect capitalization. So now I will tell you how to activate autocorrect feature and how to work on it. Now if you want to add certain word in the autocorrect, in the dictionary of autocorrect, for that you will click on this office button present on the top corner, top left corner. So when you click in this option, you will find this option called word option. Again telling you the steps. Click on the office button, click on word option. So when you will click on word option, this word option dialog box will appear in front of you. Here you have to click on spooling. Now click on the spooling. So when you will click on spooling, you will find autocorrect option. Just click on this autocorrect option. So this is clear to you. Again I am telling you the steps once again. Click on the start office button, word option, and then spooling, and then autocorrect option. So as soon sorry, as soon as we click on autocorrect option, autocorrect dialog box will appear in front of you. Now here, whatever content you want to place in the dictionary of autocorrect, you can place it over here. Suppose I want, when I will type RSG, automatically Ravinder Singh Gosai should come over here, and then I can add in the dictionary of the computer. Same thing you can do with other text also. Suppose I am writing over here MOU, and when I will write MOU, automatically the mouse should, it will replace that word with a mouse word. So when I will type MOU, automatically it will replace it with mouse. So I can add it also. So these are the words that I have added, all these words. Once I have done all this, click on the OK button and then choose the option OK. Now when I will type RSG, press the space bar, automatically you can see the full name Ravinder Singh Gosai is there on the screen. Or if you write MOU, press the space, automatically you can see the option, the text, it has been converted into, or it has been replaced with mouse. So this is a feature of autocorrect. This feature we generally use for those words where we generally make mistakes, like THE, the, and. So these are the words in which we generally make mistakes. So in that case we will be using autocorrect feature. So once again, let me tell you the use of autocorrect. So it is a feature of MS Word that you can use to automatically detect and correct your mistyped words or incorrect words or grammatical errors and incorrect capitalizations. So as I have already told you that autocorrect maintains the dictionary of mistyped word, and you can also insert your own word in the autocorrect dictionary. To do that, you click on the office button, choose the option word, and then to go for spooling, and in spooling autocorrect option, and here you will find two buttons, replace and with, which text you want to replace with what text, that you have to write over here. Suppose WIT, I want to replace with WITH, or you can add it another word, you can write LETER with LETTER later. Sometimes you forget to write one T, automatically it will replace with double T. Just add it, OK, and then OK. So let's type some words over here. Suppose I want to type letter LE, I'm in a hurry, or by mistake I've mistyped the word. So as soon as I press space, you can see the spelling has been corrected automatically. So this is the feature of, or this is the use of autocorrect feature in a word processor. Next we will be doing auto text. It was autocorrect, and now we will be doing auto text. Now auto text is also a feature of Microsoft Word which is very similar to autocorrect, but there is one important difference between autocorrect and auto text, and that is autocorrect works automatically. That means it will work automatically. You have written THE, automatically it will correct the word. The word has been corrected over here. The word will automatically be corrected. You don't need to invoke it or call it. It will do it, work itself automatically. This is the use of auto text. Now, sorry, this is the work of autocorrect. Autocorrect will automatically correct the mistyped word. But auto text need to be invoked. You have to call auto text if you want to use it. autocorrect you need not call, automatically it will correct. Autocorrect will automatically correct the word automatically. If there is some mistyped word and it is there in the dictionary, the correct word is there in the autocorrect dictionary, it will automatically correct it. Like for example, I am writing the wrong spelling of computer, COMPUTRE. It should be ER. So as soon as I press space bar, like see the spelling over here, as soon as I will press space bar, automatically it will correct the spelling. So this is being done automatically, which is a feature of autocorrect. But for auto text, I need to call it. I have to invoke it. Now how to use auto text feature? Now to use auto text feature, first you have to save the auto text in your auto text gallery. Now first what you have to do, you have to select the text. Suppose I want RSG International Institute of Technology UK. Since I have written RSG, automatically the full name is coming over here because of autocorrect. Now suppose this is the text that I have written, RSG. Okay, automatically this is coming RS Gusai, Ravinder Singh Gusai, because of autocorrect feature. Now I have removed rest of the characters. Now suppose this is the text that I want to store as a auto text. I hope what does UK means, all of you know. Now okay, so RSG International Institute of Technology UK. Now if you want to create auto text, first select the text. Once you have selected the text, where is that option? Review. Sorry. Okay, you have to go to insert. Okay, once you have selected the text, you have to go to insert. In the insert, next to the home tab, insert, you will find the insert tab. So after selecting the text, if you want to create auto text or you want to use the auto text feature, so select the text. After selecting the text, go to insert tab, and in insert tab you will click on quick part. I hope you can say this option. This you will find in the text group. So you will click on quick part. So when you will click on this drop down arrow over here, you will find save selection to quick part gallery. So click on this option, save selection to quick part gallery, and here you can give any name to the auto text. Suppose I have given RAV1 or RIT. You can save, there are different type galleries. You can save in any one of these gallery. By default I am saving it in quick part. This is, you can save it in, you can create your own category, or you can save it in general category, that's up to you. And then click on OK. So once you will click on OK, this whole text has been saved as a auto text with a particular name, that is RIT. So next time if you want to type all these characters again, all this text again, I need not type each and everything again. What I will do, suppose I am in the home tab, I want to place the text, my auto text over here. Click on the insert tab, click on click on quick parts, choose the option quick building block, or you will find it over here also. So this is the auto text that you have created, RSG International Institute of Technology. So automatically it will come over here. So you want it to place, to place it over here. Again, quick part, click on the quick part, choose the auto text that you have created. So by clicking on the auto text that you have created, the auto text content will automatically appear on the screen. So let's try one more time how to create auto text. To create auto text, first you have to write the text, Hello friends, how are you? Hello friends, how are you? Suppose stay indoor, stay protected, maintain distance to prevent yourself from COVID, coronavirus 2019. Okay, suppose this is the content that I want to store as a auto text. So click on the insert tab. Once you click on the insert tab, you will go to the text group. Here you will go to the quick part group. You will choose the option quick part. There is a drop down arrow you can see over here. Click on this drop down arrow in the quick part. So click on the insert tab. First select the text, go to insert tab, choose the option quick parts, and in the quick part you will choose the option save selection to quick part gallery. So once you have done that, give any name to your block. You can give any name to your auto text block. Suppose I have given it name COVID. You can save it in any of these galleries. Suppose I want to save it in auto text gallery. You can create your own category, or by default there are two categories. By default it will go to general categories. You can create your own category. Suppose I want to create a new category called Corona. You can write the description if you want. Choose the option OK. So this has been saved as an auto text with the name COVID-19. So if I want to place it again in some another page, suppose I want to place it somewhere where in this page, it will be saved there. Click on quick part, again you go to insert, click on quick part, choose the option. Now you will not find it over here. This is only the whatever, if it's a general category you will find it over here, but if it's not a general category, choose the option building block organizer. Again I am telling you the steps to insert your auto text block. Click on the insert tab, go to the quick part, click on the drop down arrow, choose the option building block organizer. When you will click on the option building block organizer, you will find all the blocks over here. By default there are numbers of blocks over here. You can see the preview also. This will come like this. When you select this, it will come on your page like this. You can see the preview. This will come like this. If you choose this option, it will come like this. Like suppose you have chosen this, click on insert. So you can see this, it has been inserted. But I don't want this, I want to insert the auto text block that I have created. So I'll click on insert, quick part, choose the option building block organizer, and here look for the auto text that I have created like this. The category was Corona, name was the building block name was COVID. I'll choose the option this. You can see the preview. If you want to edit, you can edit. The name was COVID, the category was Corona. So in the category you will see Corona, it was auto text, the gallery was auto text. So you can change the or update the values over here. So I don't want to update. So if you want to insert it, just choose the option insert. If you want to delete it, you can choose the option delete. So I want to insert it. So see, it has been inserted over here. Again I want to insert, do the same thing. Go to insert, quick parts, building block organizer, and then what was it? COVID. So it's here insert. So it will be inserted wherever the cursor is placed. So this way you can use autocorrect and auto text feature of Microsoft Word. So again, let me tell you the use of autocorrect. So autocorrect is a feature of Microsoft Word with which you can automatically detect and correct mistyped word, incorrect word, grammatical errors, and incorrect capitalization. Auto text is also similar to your autocorrect, but auto text need to be invoked. Autocorrect works automatically, whereas auto text has to be invoked, that is, it has to be called. So thank you for watching this video.